Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can lock the position of text, elements, or photos in a Canva design on mobile. So here, let's say I want to lock the position of this text. So what you need to do is just click on the text and swipe through the menu at the bottom. Click on more. Here, find the lock position option, so click on that. So when you move the other elements, for example this element, the text will still be there because the position has been locked, and I can move it anywhere except I click on this circle again, and after that I can move it again like this. So you can also do this for elements or photos. So for example, these elements right here, just do the same. Click on more, find the lock position option. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.